Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. I am Chian Rodriguez from Masagari Channel, a faith healer also at a reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ano kayong sabihin ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay. No? A weekly gabay for the month of June 17 hanggang June 23 for the sign of Pisces. So Pisces, welcome to my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Pisces signs ang ating maagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lang ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating sagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell for more videos updates. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang mag-support sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo nang dinigi-skip ng ads away, pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig na guumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advices ng ating angel spirit na para sa ating mga kapatid na Pisces. So let's see and watch this. Hagilapin natin, natuklasin natin, maaring masagap natin sa energy nyo. Now, let's see. Angel Spirit, let's give information po. So, there's a Four of Pentacles. Now, there's a budgeting, protecting, saving. So, may mga bagay na kailangan mo ingatan. Proteksyonan at pangalagaan na naman yung bagay na meron ka. Teritoryo man to, finances man to, relasyon man to, pero more on material things, no? Now, there's something saving. So, there's something, guys, with a Five of Pentacles. Five of Cups, something disappointment. So, may mga part dito maaring ma-disappoint ka. No, may mga mangyayari magaganap dito na kailangan mo pagkaingatan. No, baka pagsisihan mo at the end of the time. Now, the Five of Cups, something losses, regret, with a high physis. No, listen to your intuitions. Now, there's something ambitions. The high physis represent something and hidden agenda. No, there's an hidden enemy. So, mayroong bagay na maaring nagbibigay negatibo o dulot ng negatibo sa sitwasyon mo. Now, what is the additional messages? Represent, guys, with the Six of Wands for victory. So, may mga bagay na mapagtatagumpayan mo. No, you become a successful person, no, sa mga susunod na araw. So, maaaring magtatagumpay ka, no, at maaaring mapagtatagumpayan mo ano man yung bagay na ninanais mo. And there's a Three of Cups for celebration. May celebration daw na maaaring maganap. No, maaaring meron dito magbe-birthday with your families, no, with your friends. No, there's a Three of Cups for ultimate happiness. And there's a Devil card. Oh, mag-ingat ka with the demonic. No, there's a Devil card. There's something a negative energy here. So, meron ditong very demon. No, there's something black omen. No, there's a black omen. No, may nasansa ko dito ng kamalasan, negatibo, or there's something an evil or negative energy. Let's see. What is the Four of Pentacles? Kiklarify natin to. There's a Star card, recovery. So, makaka-recover ka na for mga financial loss, financial difficulties. No, basta you need to budget, no, your money, no, your profit, your income, your salary. So, kailangan mo mag-budget ng tama't wasto. No, wag kung ano-anong pinaggagawa mo sa buhay mo, Charis. Ganun. What is the Five of Pentacles? Five of Cups. There's a Knight of Swords. Nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety, sleepless nights, no? No, mayroong part dito na kaya ka nagkakaroon ng something losses or negative impact or negative outcome na dahil sa takot at pangamba, no? Hindi ka totally confident sa ginagawa mo. So, isa sa bagay nagkakaroon ng alinlangan sa situations mo, kaya ang nangyayari, negative outcome, ganon. Or meron bagay na maaaring nagdala sa'yo dito para ma-stress ka sa situations, no? Nang hinayang ka ng gusto or talagang may magaganap na maaaring mapaghihinayangan mo. So, ngayon linggong to, pinapaalalahanan ka na kailangan pagkaingatan mo. Ano man yung bagay na mapagdidesisyonan mo. The High Physis represent, guys, with a Wheel of Fortune. There's turning back. There's something, a Wheel of Fortune with a good luck. A destiny is yours. So, magiging maganda ang ikot ng kapalaran sa'yo. No, may mga hidden agenda. Or there's a blessing disguise. So, unexpected situations na maaaring maganap ngayong linggong to. No, there's a Six of Wands. So, represent what? There's a Queen of Pentacles, just being mature enough and being grounded. So pagdating sa pag-manage ng pera, magtatagumpay ka kung ilalaan mo to for your business, no? For for the good things, no? Wag kang bira ng bira. What is the Three of Cups? There's a Death card. So, meron dito matatapos na, no? Na meron dito a third party. So, meron dito ang third party, guys. Now, I feel something, third party, with a Death card. There's an ending. Na meron bagay na maaring mawakas, no? Maaring matapos. With a Devil card, represent the Emperor. Babae! Oh, with the third party, babae daw to. No, I feel something may gumagawa sa inyo para magkaroon kayo ng ano, guys. No? Nang kung ano-ano nararamdaman. Gusto kayo ma-share ginitong taon ito. Oh, there's a cross watcher out there. Na maaring yung person mang kumbaga target dito, guys. May third party eh. Na babae ito. So it's either ikaw yung may third party o yung person mo. Or maaring there's an ex. No, there's something na parang hindi pa nakaka-move on, something like that. No, kaya kayo nagkakaroon ng anxiety, sleepless nights. No, dahil dito sa ginagawa sa inyo. There's something hidden agenda. No? Kaya there's something with the fortune na imbis na swerting ka, minamalas ka, not that because of this high priestess. No, and the devil card. Let's see, clarify pa natin. With the Four of Pentacles, the Star card represents with of time, want something burden. No, kaya mabigat din about sa finances mo eh. Pero may hope, may pag-asa na makaka-recover ka. What is the Five of Cups that occurs the Knight of Wands? Ay, Knight of Swords. There's a Knight of Wands. So there's something perseverance. Magtiyaga ka lang. No, continue what you're doing. Huwag kang manghinayang, huwag kang mapagod. There's a lesson learned. There's the world. Magsasuccess ka, international, magkakaroon kayo ng travel international. May nakikita akong papers, guys. Now, there's a papers and documents ako nasa-sense dito. Meron ako nasa-sense lang. Now, there's a seven of swords, there's a sneakiness. Now, there's a cheating nine. Now, meron ditong habol, guys. No, babae ito may habol na pera. No? May third party ako nasa-sense. It's either you or your person, something like that, na meron ditong parang hinahabol na pera. And there's a Five of Pentacles. See, there's a financial loss, a financial card. Gusto kayo maghirap nito. O maaaring yung person mo gusto nito maghirap. No, kaya kayo nagkakaroon ng financial loss, of financial difficulties, crisis, no? Para maghirap kayo. There's a death card, oh. Gusto nitong matapos, there's a bankruptcy. Gusto rin nito magkaroon kayo ng sakit, ng kung ano-ano nararamdaman. What is the Devil and the Empress card? May grabe naman tong linggong ko. And there's a Two Pentacles with a balance. So, kailangan nyo maging balance dito, guys, no? And there's an Knight of Cups. There's an offer. So, kailangan nyo rin, kumbaga, maging aware sa mga offer na pagkain, inumin, ganon. With the Eight of Cups, something up, hindi siya naka-move on. With the Eight of Cups, no? Hindi pa to nakaka-move on. Itong tao na to. With a Hermit card, sabi ko na, there's a spiritual awakening, a spiritual journey. No, ibig sabihin ito, it's either nasa ibang bansa to o nasa ibang bansa kayo. No, magkabilang mundo. No, let's see what is additional messages. Or nasa ibang lugar. And there's a sabi naman, so you need to protect yourself. No, there's a sneakiness. May kumukuha na information dito, guys. No, babae siya, na very greedy sa power. Sa pera, gano'n. Parang mukhang pera, gano'n. There's a Page of Pentacles, something in best wise day. So, mag-ingat kayo sa mga bagay na gagawin nyo. No, or plan ninyo. And there's a Page of Swords. There's a spying, looking, watching. Nagsusubaybay itong babae na to. Nakakakuha siya ng information, guys. No? Kumbaga, lahat ng bagay na gagawin niya, alam niya. Na nagkakaroon siya ng information. So, let's see what is additional messages tayo. Ano maaaring mamasagap natin sa energy niya? Ay, sa energy nyo. About sa finances and career, love life at kalusugan. May yung reading natin, guys. Yung weekly gabay, monthly pasilip, monthly gabay. At magkakaroon ulit tayo ng special gabay, ha? Antabay lang kayo dyan. Tuloy-tuloy ang reading na natin ngayon, guys. No? So, let's see. Angels Spirit plus give information about sa finances and career. So, represent, guys, with the Nine of Cups. There's a wish fulfillment. So, may mga bagay na matutupad na sa mga paharap mo. Na may mga bagay na may isa sa katuparan mo na. And there's a Seven of Pentacles. There's a harvest time o harvest moment. So, pagdating sa finances, na matutupad may mga pangarap mo, there's a potential for abundance. May potential ka para maging malago talaga. Maging masagana. Magiging mayaman kayo someday, guys. No, and of course, within this week, maaari matutuklasan mo na kung ano yung bagay na nagpapabigat sa situations mo. And there's a news. So, may balita talaga. There's a good news coming in. With a Justice card, there's something, it's all about karma. So, no need to worry dahil there's a principle of karma. What goes around, comes around. Kung naman yung bagay na ginawa sa inyo, there's a bounce back. No, pero may nasan sa with the justice ka, there's a curses. No, may ginawa sa inyong curse. There's a chart ka, you need to take an action from this. So, kailangan nyo kumilos at gumawa ng action about this one. No, kasi maganda ang energy mo dito, oh. Magiging masagana kayo, guys. No, isa sa bagay na parang nagkakadlang sa pag-unlad nyo itong tao na yon. Pagdating sa love life, so ito, alamin natin. No? There's a Six of Pentacles. No? There's a giving and receiving. So, meron daw dito magtutuloy-tuloy na at there's a give and take pagdating sa partner sa relasyon nyo. And there's a Ten of Cups. Magiging masaya kayo, guys, ng inyong family with a Two of Wands. So, there's a first step na kailangan nyo lang gawin or meron kayong kailangan gawin, no? Para mapabago ang mundo nyo. There's something dope dito, no? Para mabago ang mundo. And there's a Three of Swords. Sabi ko na nga ba, may third party no? Meron ditong naiinggit, nagsiselos, or gumagawa ng eksena towards you guys. See, there's an Eight of Swords. Hindi makakilos, hindi makagalaw. Hindi kayo makakilos, hindi makagalaw. There's a lot of toxic and negativities around. And there's an Eight of Pentacles, no? And even sa trabaho, sa isa't isa, hindi kayo makapag-focus. No? That because of this energy. No? Pagdating naman tayo sa kalusugan, there's a boon card. See, madalas kayo, no? Nagigising kayo sa of nowhere, alas 2, alas 3 sa madaling araw, or nagkakaroon kayo ng sleepless night, anxieties. With a moon card, lalo sa madaling araw, iba yung atake, iba-iba yung nararamdaman nyo. And there's a the sun card, the truth comes out. So, mayroon bagay na lilitaw at lilinaw dito. Na about sa nararamdaman nyo. With the Ace of Swords, malalaman nyo yan kung ano yung bagay na yon. No, with the Strength card in reverse na parang nawawalan kayo ng kumpiyansa, parang nagsasawa kayo, nawawalan kayo ng gana. No, yun yung bagay na pinaparamdam sa inyo para ma-lost, no, lahat ng bagay. There's a magician. See, I told you, there's a doing black magic to you guys. And of course, there's something at tower moment para sirain ano man yung bagay na meron kayo. Lahat kayo sa pamilya nyo nagkakasakit. Or maaari nagpapalit-palitan dito, guys. Ganun yung nangyayari. No? So, let's see. What is an money move oracle that can the angel spirit? Nandito tayo sa mga angels guides, guys. No? Sa mga gabay na tayo with a money move oracle deck. With a money move oracle deck, represent what? Wrong decision. May mali kang decision na ginawa dito. No? Kumbaga kailangan mong mag-pay attention sa mga decision na ginawa mo. What is an angel's number? Represent what? There is a 13, 31, and 666. See, dalawang message ha. Unahin ko muna to. Good fortune. So, may magandang kapalaran na katadhana para sa'yo. Or nakalaan para sa'yo. Have faith in your skills and talent. And as they are a tool that can provide you with a bright future, a piece of good advice, a moment of enlightenment, or a comforting messages on this way. Everything will work out in your favor. So, papabor sa ito. Na parang binibigyan ka ng information dito na nasa kamay mo para paano mo mapapabago ang buhay mo. You are also independent. No? There's something individuality. There's some major changes coming in. And there's a greatest blessing. No, there's a great blessing. Nurture yourself. You need desires and boundaries. Let go of the things that are weighing you down. Make space for something meaningful and expand your spirit of all areas of your life. That big love, opportunities, or job need to squeeze somewhere. So, mayroon talagang bagay na may dahilan kung bakit nangyayari yan. There's a great blessing. So, may mga bagay kaya yun nangyari or may mga bagay na kaya mangyayari itong bagay na ito para sa paglawak, no, ng karanasan at paglawak ng iyong sitwasyon, nararamdaman, no, para sa paglawak at pag-unlad mo. What is the magical fire messages, advices? Magical fire messages, spring, there's a blossoming. No, may paglago talaga. No, mayroon dito pamukadkad. No, there's a fully form. No, itong bulaklak na to para mamumukadkad na siya. What is the yin and yang oracle card? There's a revert. See, there's a revert. No, renewal. Now, there's a blessing coming in. And there's something lack and doubt. At yung sinasabi ko kanina, nagkakaroon ka na alinlangan at takot, pangamba. Now, there's a lack and doubt. What is the synchronicities with romance angels? Sing soulmate. So, ibig sabihin soulmate kayo na person mo. And there's a reconciliation, magkakabalikan kayo ng person mo, or maaari nagkabalikan kayo, and soulmate kayong dalawa. So, ibig sabihin dito may third party talaga. So, kaya siguro to ginagawa sa inyo kasi nagkabalikan kayo ng person mo. What is the synchronicities? And there's an Empress card for River. So, some of you, there's a fertility, maaari magbuntis ka ha. Kasi 2 beses yung River na lumabas, no? Maaari magbuntis ka. There's a Black. Ay, binablock niya yung pagbubuntis mo. Or maaring there's a Black. Binablock nila yung swerte nyo. Or maaring maganda kapalaran sa inyo. No? Parang hinakarangan niya. There's a Black. No? What is our Archangel Michael messages? Para kaya kayo minamalas, kaya puro ang bibigat ng mga nangyayari sa inyo, which is ang ganda ng future mo dito, ganon. Archangel Michael represent your inner guidance is real and trustworthy. So, ibig sabihin, maniwala ka sa iyong gabay. No? Nagkaroon ka na instinct, intuition, visions, na yun ang nangyayari behind the scenes. No? There's a reason. So, yun na nga. No? Binibigyan ka ng informasyon para malaman mo, matuklasan mo yung nangyayari behind your back. No? At kailangan mo makinig sa gut feeling mo. For a Jesus-loving quote said, blessed are they that hear the word of God and keep it. No? Binibless daw yung mga taong naniwala sa salita ng Diyos. No, yun yung mga taong pinagpapala or maaaring may biyayang paparating sa inyo. And of course, ito na, nandito na tayo sa huling chapter ng reading natin, ang yes or no, pick a card. Na-miss nyo ba to guys? No, comment down below kung ikaw matagal na sa aking channel. No, at alam mo tong yes or no, pick a card na to. Kung alam mo to, please comment down below. Then of course guys, no, kung ikaw ay bago sa channel ko, ang yes or no pick a card, pwede ka magtanong. No? Pwede ka magtanong. Mag-isip ka ng tanong ngayon na. No? Sa isip mo, mag-isip ka ng tanong at pipili ka na magiging sagot within 1, 2, or 3. Then of course, kapag nakapag-isip ka ng tanong at nakapili ka na ng number na magiging sagot sa tanong mo, please comment down below kung anong number na napili mo. No? Isa lamang po ha. Then of course, uunahin natin kung ano yung sasabihin natin gabay. Number 1. Now, let's start with the number 1. Unahin na natin guys. Ito na. Number 1, hindi pinakita. Number 2 tayo. Number 2, there's a no. Now, deception is the dark truth hidden. Na meron dito guys na kumbaga nakatago sa likod dito. Na parang wag mo ipilit na itago yung isang bagay. No, kailangan mong makawala dyan sa comfort zone na yan. So, isa sa bagay na nagpapahirap sa'yo, yung bagay na parang itinatago mo. No, kaya kailangan mong ilabas ang katotohanan sa likod dito. Excuse me, ang nakatago ko is either nararamdaman, sitwasyon, no? Number, di rin pinakita yung number 3. So, let's proceed tayo with the number 1. No, ito yung number 1, guys. Sino yung nakapili na number 1? There's a no. Feeling out of the sync, not compatible with you. So, hindi kayo komportable or hindi kayo compatible nitong tao na to. No, kaya kailangan mong, parang feeling nyo na parang hindi siya enough for you, hindi ka rin enough para sa kanya. So, it's not compatible. Na wag mo ipilit yung sarili mo sa isang bagay na hindi ka komportable or hindi talaga para sa iyo. Number 3, there is a no. Oh no. Burning through money for investment growth. So, meron dito talaga dito na susunog. Parang bagay na wag mong isusugal yung sarili mo, isang bagay dito na alam mong wala kang mapapala or wala kang makikita o walang mangyayari, hindi magdadala sa'yo ng growth and expansion bagkos mababaong ka lang sa sitwasyon. So kailangan mo makawala dyan from that burden. So guys, this is something a weekly gabay for the month of June 17 hanggang June 23 for the sign of Pisces. So Pisces, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin na nga makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit ko siya for more videos update. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo nang di nag-skip ng ads away pagpalain kayo. Nang Diyos at may kapalit siksik liglig nag-uumapaw ni biyayang manang balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!